complicated is the application process to an Ivy League school?
Well, to be honest, it is quite complicated, but application to any US school is generally complicated. So there will normally be a common application. So that is the common app or the coalition app. And then in that application, you fill in, the regular stuff. So your education details, your grade, your extracurricular activities, your teacher recommenders. And then most schools, if not all, will also have their own questions and their own writing supplements. And this really varies from school to school. Some schools only want one additional essay. Some schools don't want anything at all. And some schools have like, I don't know, 5 or 6 little essays for you to write. So for this, make sure to look through each individual school's application and keep an eye on their website so that you don't miss anything and don't submit an incomplete application.